In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify returns and exchange apps. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, click on Apps to manage everything you install for your store. At the top, click into the search field to highlight it. Then use the option to search the Shopify App Store and enter the word Return. This pulls up apps designed to handle returns and exchanges, so you can streamline post-purchase support. From the results, select Return Prime, Return, and Exchange. On the listing page, open the Featured Images gallery to quickly scan real screenshots of how the app looks in the admin and what your customers will see. Next, jump into the section titled Recover Revenue with Exchanges and Store Credits instead of Refunds. This explains how you can keep sales by encouraging exchanges or store credit. When you're ready, click View Demo Store to preview the customer-facing flow without installing anything. A demo makes it easy to visualize how policies, portals, and email updates appear to shoppers. Head back to your search results and choose ClickPost Returns and Exchanges. Click into the app to view its full details, then open the Analytics and Reporting with insights on return and exchange trends section. Understanding what's coming back and why helps you reduce return rates and improve product pages. Look for dashboards that show reasons for return, top SKUs, and refund versus exchange ratios. Return to the results and select Net Returns and Exchanges. Again, use View Demo Store to experience the self-serve portal. Pay attention to how customers select items, choose exchange options, and receive labels or instructions. A clear flow reduces support tickets and speeds up resolutions. Go back once more and pick ParcelWILL Returns and Exchange. Open its listing and click View Demo Store to compare the experience with the others. Note the wording, steps required, and any built-in upsell or credit features that can help recover revenue. Finally, return to the overall results for return to see the broader marketplace again, and refresh the results once more to ensure you've captured the latest options. As you compare, keep an eye on core details like supported regions and carriers, pricing tiers, exchange workflows, store credit capabilities, automation rules, and integration with your existing shipping or help desk tools. Reviews and recent update dates can also signal reliability and support quality. That's the complete walkthrough. By searching the App Store, reviewing screenshots, opening key feature sections, and using demo stores, you can confidently shortlist the best returns and exchange apps for your